Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create administrator user account using CMD. Type CMD in search bar, right click, run as administrator. Type net, space, user, space, /add, space, admin username, space, password. Username is created. Next step to add this user to administrators group, net, space, local group, space, administrators, space, admin username, space, /add. Type net, space, user, admin username. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.